Hi, my name is Nadia Windsor, and this is a reflection of my research journey. Why did you select the story and the prompts? I selected Henrik Ibsen's three-act play A Dollhouse because I truly enjoyed the playwright out of all the short stories that we have read. I selected the prompt, what do scholars have to say about a dollhouse or other stories that I haven't thought about, because I was interested on knowing what others thought about the play. I was so intrigued and interested in the play, I wanted to see if others felt the same way. What did you find the most interesting in the research article you selected? The thing that I found the most interesting in the research article were how most people thought that Henrik Ibsen was an anti-feminist. I did not think he was an anti-feminist. This story was written in 1879, so that was just how women lived. That's just how married couple were. Women were submissive. They were housewives. So I do not personally think that he was an anti-feminist. I think people are getting the time frames confused, and that's just how it was back in the day. What did you learn? After reading both research articles, I did learn more about Nora and Torvald's character. I also learned more about Henrik Ibsen himself. I learned that Nora and Torvald, well, I learned that Torvald wasn't as bad as a person as I thought he was when I first read the play. And I also learned more about Nora. When I first read the play, I just thought she was a bad person because she abandoned her kids. But after reading other people's articles, and researching some more about the story, I realized, like, she's not such a bad person for abandoning her kids. Torvald isn't such a bad husband. So I learned more about them and I got to know them a little bit more. I also learned a lot about Henrik Ibsen. A lot of people say he was anti-feminist. I don't think he was one, but apparently that was a big topic back in the day. I learned that he's very talented. After reading A Doll's House, I tried to researched some more of his work and read some more of his readings and plays, and they were amazing. What new questions about the story do you have? Will there ever be a part two? Will someone write another part to A Doll's House? I feel like it deserves I feel like it deserves another part. I still have unanswered questions like, will she ever see her kids again? Will she ever speak to Torvald again? Will she ever talk to Krogstad again? Like, I want to know more about the story. I want to know if Krogstad and Miss Christine got married and had kids of their own. It's a lot that I want to know. I want to know if her kids grew up having a hatred towards Nora because she abandoned them. So it's a lot that I want to know, and I would love for them to make a part two to the play. A Doll's House part two would be amazing. What was the most challenging part of your research journey? My most challenging part of my research journey was finding the perfect article. I went through so many articles, reading so many things, and I just wanted to make sure that I found the perfect article, because when I find the perfect article, that will reflect my paper. So finding the perfect article was definitely the hardest part for me. Okay, and that is the end of my presentation. My name is Nadia Windsor, and this is my reflection of my research journey so far. Thank you.